Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aarti, MCA first year student at Vishwakarma University. Today we are learn about function in Python. So here is introduction. So basically function is a block of statement that returns the specific task. The idea is to put some commonly or repeatedly done tasks together and make a function so that instead of writing the same code again and again for different inputs, we can do the functions call to reuse code content in it over and over again. Below is the basic syntax of Python. So first is def. Keyword that means you are defining a function. It's tell about Python. Second is function name. The name you given your function, you use this name to call the function later. Must follow naming rules. Example, def grep in bracket name. Third is parameter. These are placeholder for inputs, also called argument. You pass values to your functions through these. You can have one, many, or none. Fourth is semicolon. The colon tells Python the function block is starting. Everything identity under it is part of function. Fifth is code block. This is where the logic of the function goes. It's run when the function is called. Must be identity, usually for space or a table. Sixth is a return statement. This sends a result back to the place where the function was called. After return, the function stops running. You can return any data type like string, number, list, etc. Now, this time is main category. At the top, it indicates that we are discussing different types of function in Python. Under function types, it branches out into three main categories. First, built-in function. These are predefined functions in Python. You can use them without creating or importing anything. For example, print display out, name, return the length of an object, sum, add of elements, a list or tuple. Type returns the type of an object. Use case, we are ready to use for common tasks. Second is function defining module. These are functions that are part of external Python module or library. To use them, you need to import the module. Use case, more powerful or specialized than built-in functions. Third is user-defined function. These are functions created by the user to perform specific tasks. You define them using the def keyword. Let's see benefits of using functions. First is increase code readability. Functions break your code into smaller, understandable pieces. Makes it easier for others to read the maintain. Second is increase code reliability. Once written a function can be called multiple times. No need to rewrite the Next, function declaration. So this is the keyword def used to define a function. It tells Python I am starting a function definition. Second is function name in bracket parameters. Function name, this is the name of your function. Parameter, optional input value the function can take. Single, the start of the function. Body. Third is hashtag statement. This is a placeholder for any code you want the function or run. Can be one line or multiple line, must be indeed. Fourth, return expression. This return a value to where the function was called. It also ends the function. Function return and body arrow. The arrow pointing to the right says this is the body of the function. The arrow pointing down from can show the output or result goes back to the caller. All done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.